Introduction of Tanna TechBiz Eagle-201 carrier board for NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano and NX. AI-powered performance delivers up to 157 TOPS, sparse, 78 TOPS, dense, AI performance, ideal for robotics, drones, and smart cameras. Compact and high performance offers up to 80x the performance of Jetson Orin Nano, NX, enabling seamless execution of advanced AI models. Powerful hardware built with an Ampere GPU and 6-core ARM CPU for running multiple concurrent AI applications. Versatile connectivity supports two-lane MIPI cameras and various connectors for seamless integration. Scalable and future-ready, fully compatible with Jetson Orin Nano, NX modules for next-gen edge AI development. Super mode supported with Orin Nano module. Eagle-201 carrier board specifications. DC port, DP port, 4 USB port, Ethernet port, USB-C, GPIO pins, 4-pin PWM fan header, 16-pin header, 2 CSI connectors.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna TechBiz. Together, stay connected.